Are you looking for a better way to communicate status information to your patrons? RainoutLine is here to help. Gone are the days of wasting precious time recording voicemail messages, sending emails and text, updating websites, and answering the endless ring of phone calls asking for the current status. With RainoutLine, you simply update the status of your field, facility, or event in our online dashboard, and we take care of the rest. Your status message is immediately updated on your RainoutLine phone line, sent out via text, email, and app notifications, updated on your website, and pushed to your Facebook and Twitter feed. There has never been a faster, easier way to make sure everybody gets the message. Start your free 30-day trial today, and in just 2 minutes, you can be up and running and say goodbye to wasting time on status updates forever. If you prefer to talk to a human, give us a call at 888-255-6110.